the inflation performance has been quite similar to the US, but the growth performance of the US has been much, much stronger. Did the Europeans, the eurozone, and the British too, make sort of macro policy mistakes of some kind? Should we have followed the Americans with huge fiscal deficits?
Two things predominantly. One is energy.
Of course.
Energy prices have gone up across the world because of those shocks. But because we are not energy producers, it was a bit like, it's a tax that we were paying to the rest of the world, those who produce energy and from which we imported. So that's number one. It wasn't the case of the US. In the US, prices went up, but prices were paid out at home. So it was a redistribution effect that took place, but it didn't leave the country. Number two, we had in Europe a lot of those furlough schemes. We kept businesses afloat that would otherwise have probably drifted or sunk. In the United States, they paid out fiscal support. And that was regarded by many households, for instance, as additional revenue, which was then spent and stimulated demand, probably more so than the furlough schemes and indemnification that we had in Europe.